Aloha all, Jackie here. Wanted to do this video really quick to show you this card, the Sympathy card that I made or created. Really quick and easy using the Flourishing Phrases stamp set. We're also going to be using the Layering Ovals Framelits dies. Ink colors, Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and classic Stampin pad Wild Wasabi. As far as cardstock, we have black, basic black cardstock, 4 by 5 1/4, and I took out the scalloped oval. You also need for the inside of the card 3 1/4 by 5. And then a 3 by 7/8 by 5 1/8 for the outside layer. And for our card base, a 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 cardstock Wild Wasabi scored at 4 1/4. Okay, we will start with the inside layer with our Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Just ink it up and putting it towards the top of the card. And then since I have the black out, I'll do the With Sympathy greeting. Set these aside to dry. Then with the top layer, bring out some scratch paper and our Wild Wasabi ink. Ink up our stamp. Then I'm going to bring our image towards the top, jam down, re-ink, and then turn the stamp around and stamp towards the bottom. And then I'm going to ink up again and then get the bottom corner here, just like that. Okay. Close my ink pad. I should have kept this out. Wanted to show you. This is saw this Dina Rico Creativity Cave video with the black, basic black Stampin' Right marker on the, put the tip in the cap here, and you just flick and you can see all the splatter of the ink like that. Okay, now we can start putting our card together. We have all our pieces. So go ahead and put the inside. Center that on the inside. And then our basic black layer. Ooh. Okay, and then our white. Top layer. Center as best as I can. And then with the oval, center that on the scallop oval, and then with the dimensionals, just gonna put it down here. And there we go, we have it. Done, quick and simple. Sympathy card. Hope you guys like that. Visit me again. Give me a thumbs up if you like this quick and simple sympathy card. Thanks. Bye.